What up guys, it's your boy Josh Sneaks, and today I got another unboxing review for you guys. Before we get into the shoes, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. We on the road. We grinding, bro. So, with that being said, make sure y'all go check out my last video and then come back to this one. So, with that being said, let's get into the shoes. So today I got a special, not really special, but I know my reviews have been kind of fire to me. I have some valid shoes, but this shoe is fire to me, but may not be fire to you guys. But this shoe is a personal cop. And by the box, y'all should know what it is. The whole box is black, and you do have that silver Nike Air with the word Air Force One. So that should already give it away. I'm pretty sure most of you guys are thinking of one, the G Fazos, but maybe or maybe not. You just gotta wait and see. So this is a personal pair, as I said. So I did get these in a size 10.5/, which is equivalent to a 12 women's. And as you guys can see, my size tag does have that yellowish tint to it. I'm not too sure why, but I don't know. But as you guys can see, I think you should be able to pick it up from far away. It looks white, but I think on camera you should be able to pick it up that it looks yellow. Retail on this shoe is 130 bucks. I had to look at it because I didn't know what the retail price was, and I did not pay retail. Funny story about the shoe before we open the box. I was originally going for the G Fazos whites. G Fazos, also known as the Air Force One. So you guys know this is not it. This is not the G Fazos. I was originally going for the G Fazos. However, at Foot Locker, I put the G Fazos in my cart like 5 different times. Check out. It wasn't working. And then I saw they had this Sun 25 discount code for 25% off. So I was like, then I saw this shoe in the box. I'm like, oh, this is pretty fire, not gonna lie. And originally it was on sale for $109, but then I used a discount and got it for 82 bucks. So that's a steal, bro. So with that being said, let me open the box and show y'all what we have. In the box, we do have regular white tissue paper, nothing too special. And yes, my box is falling apart for some reason. I hope shipping causes damages and not that they gave me this box damaged up, because like this box is damaged up. Not that much, but it has a couple creases. And we have the Imperial Blue Air Force One. I know some of y'all may hate this shoe, but personally, I love this shoe. Well, funny story actually. I know I had a funny story, but whatever. When I first got these shoes, I was debating whether to return them or keep them. Because at first, I was like, One reason which made me want to return it even more was that if you guys zoom in, you can see like how the white is crackly. That's part of the design. That's not how a factory default or anything. But from far away, it looks white, as you guys can see. You can't see no cracks or anything. So that is pretty nice. Oh snap, the box is about to fall. So yeah. One thing that I saw in the picture that I had in mind was like this orange/brown. I wanted to know if it was more of a brown or orange, but in hand it's more of an orange, so that's pretty nice. This is not how the shoe comes factory laced. This is my personal way of lacing these shoes. So yeah, the shoe does feature suede, leather, nubuck, all different types of materials, so that's pretty nice. You do have an orange kind of hint on it, orange/brown in the toe guard, on the tongue with a red Nike check, and also at the back of the shoe with the red Nike Air. For some reason, there's like this bump on the back underneath the Nike. I don't know if you guys can see the bump. Put it at an angle. Nah, I think you can, but there's a bump like right here. I don't know why, but I don't know. You also have this pinkish red right here, and then you have an actual red right here. So that's pretty nice. Then you do have your black Nike check with the white part that I said that has that crackled design for looks, basically, and it wasn't a default. Then you also have that same red that was over here. And then you have, then you have my most favorite color of the shoe, this blue. The official colorway of the shoe is Sail Black Imperial Blue. So I'm pretty sure this is Imperial Blue, which is also the name of the shoe. When I was about to copy these shoes, I did not see much review. I didn't see any reviews of these shoes at all. So I don't know if I'm pretty sure I'm not the first one on YouTube, but one of the few people who will be reviewing this shoe. So if you guys think of copying it, make sure you tune into this video. And you do have that white midsole, and you also have that cream outsole. And you're like, damn, your shoes are dirty, bro. Nah, I did wear these once, then do the review. The only thing that's dirty practically is the sole. I meant the outsole, so that's pretty nice. See, I wear my shoes, broskies. I did plan to get this shoe. Oh, remember how I said I wanted to get the regular Air Force Ones G Fasos? I was planning to wear those shoes as like a daily shoe. You know how everybody wears with their fits. So this shoe is gonna get a lot of wear. However, one thing that might stop that from happening is that I got it in 10.5, because I was thinking, just in case my feet grows, I want to wear these for like forever. Not forever, but for a really long time. But 10.5 is too big, so now I know I have to get a size 10. But you learn. And the inside of the shoe, you do have your size tag, 10.5 as I just said, with the Nike Air in that same orange or brown color that's in the toe guard. You also have your classic brown shoe strip. And you also have black laces, only one set of laces with this shoe. And also a black sock liner with the black eyelets. If this shoe did not have that black around it, I wouldn't have kept it. The black gives it a nice contrast. It's like, it has a plain color, then it has all the bright colors. One thing I would love to change about this shoe, or one thing that I dislike about it, and that I want to change, is this crackling. If it was a plain white, it would be fire. But, as I said, if from far away you can't see it, so that's good. If somebody's walking on the street and they're like a block away from me, they can't see it. They just see the brightness of the shoe, so that's valid, I guess. So these are a personal cop, as I mentioned earlier. So these will be staying in the collection. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and share this video, bro. We on that grind. So with that being said, it's been your boy Josh Sneaks, and I'm out.